Alright, I first asked you guys to do this problem here. Lizeth, how many times is 3 going into 4? What's next? So we're multiplying. Now what? Uh-huh. Raise your hand if you got 2. Okay, you're going to use this for today's lesson. So normally the easy way is just to write 15R2. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see, right over here. 15R2. That's the easy way. But in today's lesson, you're going to have to take the remainder. And how do you make that a fraction, class? You put 2 over 3. 15R2 is the same thing as 15, 2, and then the 3 comes from here on the outside. Okay? Natalie A., tell me 2 of the vocab words you think they are. Remainder. What is the remainder in this problem? 2. Let's write that. Remainder. And the other, give me one more, Natalie. Divisor. Do you know which one is the divisor? So I'm thinking to myself, I just saw a student, he was wearing a visor, and he was outside to shade himself from the sun. Visor, or the divisor, is on the outside. Let's write that. Divisor. Alex, tell me a vocab word. Quotient. Where do you think the quotient is? It is the answer of division. 15 2/3 is the quotient. Good job. Alex, pick a friend. Anybody you want. Oscar. Dividend. Where do you think that is? Yep. So we're going to use these 4 vocab words today. And let me show you how this works. Determine the quotient using polynomial long division. Class, you guys know how to do long division? Yeah, so that's the first step you're going to do in today's lesson. And the second one is where we're going to use the vocab words we just did. Number 2. Write the dividend as the product. So this is like an equal sign. Product means which math operation? We're going to multiply the following times the divisor. So the dividend as the product of the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. That's an R. Let's color code that. So you're going to take the dividend. Whenever you're finished with the problem, you're going to take the dividend, and then you're going to take the is equal to the divisor times your answer on top, which is called the quotient. And inside, let's draw parentheses, you're going to add the remainder. So the only thing we're adding in today's lesson is you'll do the long division and then you'll make this equation to show, basically by checking your answer, that your quotient is your answer based on multiplying.